So after my divorce, I had to learn to do a lot of the upkeep in my home. And I ordered this dryer vent cleaner, and this thing really does work. It's really easy to use. It's 15 feet long. For my dryer vent, it goes down about 8 or 9 feet. This is perfect. I use it about every 6 months to just clean this out and make sure it's running well. I just cleaned it a couple months ago and it got quite a bit of lint out. I was surprised how much was in there. I'm going to show you how well it works. I don't know how much I'm going to get out this time, but definitely worth the price. These are super easy to put together. They have a little thing you snap together. So they have this little, like that. You can try to gradually put it down with your hand without a drill. It's a lot easier with a drill. So you just hook the end inside the drill and it gets it done a lot faster if you use a drill. So I took off the slats. On the other side, I just pulled out the dryer and took off the vent. And then I got this down here. Okay, this is the other side. So I just need to take this off. You can already see it push some stuff down, so I'm going to go back up. Okay, so you want to make sure that this doesn't pull away from the house when you're doing it, so I usually hold it while I'm drilling this in while I drill it in. Okay, so as you can see, it pushed some out. There wasn't a whole lot in there because I had already done it, but it's that simple. So we're done. We're going to pull it out, so I'm going to change the direction of this. I'm just going to pull it out. And there you go, super easy.